Hello student, welcome to my class of computer science for class 12. In this video student, we are going to understand a concept of file handling, in which we are going to learn how to create a CSV file. A CSV file actually a file that is comma separated value file, in which we are going to understand its code, which are as follow. The first one thing, we have to import the module, that is CSV. After that we are going to use the with clause along with open function, that is with open, and you can see here is file name is my CVS. Okay, then after that dot CVS dot write mode, and new line will be definitely equals to double quote, I am to say single quote two time as f. Here is f considered as an object that will have the all operation and functionalities regarding to the CSV file. After that you can see that I have created a particular here object again writer, which gives us the facility to create a file along with the delimiter, that is comma, because we are using delimiter which separate the every particular elements or data elements in a tabbed way or in a different cell. So here writer equals to csv dot writer. Within round bracket we are going to pass here f, that is object of file with open close, then comma delimiter equals to single quote open, then comma single quote close and round bracket close. After that, with the help of this writer object, we can create write row. The table as we are going to create, so first row of the particular table should be a table header. That's why I have created here table header along with some writer dot write row. Here you can see that round bracket open, square bracket open. Then after that, within single quote, I will place the table header name, that is roll number, comma student name, then comma email ID. As same way I will create some rows also, which are as follow. The roll number is 1 because roll number 1 is considered as here string, and then Kamal Kant as the name of the first student, and Kamal at the rate, I'm to say 4043 at the rate gmail.com, its email ID. Same way I have created the second row also, that is Himmat Singh Hemu at the rate Yahoo, and the next one thing, that is Mukul Singh Muku at the rate AOL.com. So we are going to just run it. What is will the output? Let us see. So I have just run it by pressing the play button of the Google Python Club. So after, you can see the connectivity is going on. So after connecting it, it will show me the output. Only a simple way it will create it my file. So you can see that initialization is going on, and now you can see that connected, and you can see run is over. Now we are going to just understand how to get the output of this particular program. So we are going to just read now how to read this particular file. So here I have done same thing because I have already imported the CSV header here, I'm to say module here. So here this code is representing, actually this one code is representing how to read the CSV file. So we have used with open clause again with my csv.csv that r. Here you can see that r, that means to say read mode. So after that you can see that as f means again object for the with clause open, then reader equals to csv dot reader. Within round bracket you can see that f comma delimiter, that again equals to single quote open comma single quote close, then round bracket close. And I'm going to just traverse here the particular elements, I'm to say tuple of the particular table with the help of traversing method, that is for loop. So here line equals to 0, which is representing what are the how many numbers I have, and then for row in reader, here is reader object contain every element that is coming from the particular file, that is my csv.csv, and here we are going to just print line number along with row, and we have just here use shorthand notation to line plus equals to 1. So now we are going to just run it. Let's see what will the output. You can see I have just pressed the run button, and now you can see the output has come. Along with 0 row is a roll number, student name, email ID, and along with 1 row, that is meant to say roll number 1 Kamal Khan email address, and second at the rate I'm to say 2 Himmat Singh Hemu 2000 at the rate yahoo.com, and third one thing Mukul Singh. Now student, we are going to next one thing in regarding this file. So we have created this file, and now we are going to appending the CSV file. Appending means we are going to add some detail in this particular file. So what we have done student, I have just opened the particular file with a mode. A mode means here you can see that append mode. So here you can see append mode with open within round bracket my csv.csv, append mode, new line equals to double quote, I am to say 2 times single quote as f. Here you can see writer equals to csv dot writer, then f as a parameter I will pass here, and we can see that write row, okay, because we are going to again write some new file. So here for Ankush Rawat here is ankush1212@msn.com. Same way I have written another line 5 Pooja Krayat, then poo1990@gmail.com, and third one thing right row, that is writer.write row 6 Pushpa Khadayat and pushpa2020@gmail.com. So after this running it will append the details. You can see the detail is going to be appended. Now we can see the output in this particular code. So we are just going to run this code again. Now we can see along with the record 1 2 3 4 5 6 record also going to be added here. So it means to say we have done how to append the file in this particular code. So student, I hope you have understand this particular concept of the day, in which we have learned how to create a CSV file along with delimiters, new line, and with open close as object F. And we have also understand how to read the file. In this particular concept, we have taken the traversal of the technique, that with the help of for loop, and appending of the CSV file we have used simply append what, that is A. That's it for the day, students.